Double your income. How to maximize your salary and side hustles. In today's fast-changing world, relying on a single source of income can feel risky and limiting. The good news: doubling your income isn't just a dream reserved for entrepreneurs or influencers. With the right strategies, mindset, and smart use of your time, you can significantly increase what you earn while building long-term financial security. This guide breaks down proven, practical ways to maximize your salary and grow profitable side hustles without burning out. 1. Maximize your primary salary first. Your main job is your strongest financial foundation. Before chasing extra income, make sure you're not leaving money on the table. Negotiate your pay. Many people never negotiate, and that can cost thousands each year. Research industry salary benchmarks. Track your achievements and results. Ask during reviews, promotions, or after delivering measurable value. Even a 10% raise can compound massively over time. Upgrade high-value skills. High-income skills pay more because they're hard to replace. Examples include data analysis tech skills, sales and negotiation, digital marketing, writing, design, or video editing, online courses, certifications, and real-world projects can fast-track your earning potential. Become indispensable. Solve problems others avoid. Take ownership. Improve systems. When you are seen as essential, raises and promotions follow naturally. 2. Build a side hustle that actually scales. Side hustles work best when they grow beyond trading hours for dollars. Choose skills over gigs. Instead of low-paying tasks, focus on skill-based hustles. Freelancing writing, design, coding, tutoring or coaching, social media management, video editing or content creation. These can scale into agencies, brands, or businesses. Start small, then systemize it. Begin with just a few hours a week. As income grows, raise your rates. Automate repetitive tasks. Outsource low-value work. This turns a hustle into a real income stream. Go where the money already is. Don't reinvent the wheel. Platforms like freelancing marketplaces, online stores, or content platforms already have paying customers use them. 3. Stack multiple income streams smartly. True income growth comes from diversification, not exhaustion. Examples of income stacking: salary plus freelancing, side hustle plus digital products, part-time consulting plus investments. The goal is leverage, not overwork. 4. Turn knowledge into assets. Once you learn something valuable, you can sell it more than once. Ideas include e-books or guides, online courses, templates or digital tools, paid newsletters. This creates income that continues even when you're not actively working. 5. Master your money mindset. Doubling income isn't just about tactics, it's about thinking differently. Stop thinking time money. Instead, think systems, assets, skills, long-term value. Reinvest. Don't inflate lifestyle. When income rises, avoid spending it all. Reinvest into skill development, better tools, new income streams. This accelerates growth. 6. Stay consistent. This is the real secret. Most people fail not because strategies don't work, but because they quit too soon. Small daily actions. Learning 30 minutes a day. Applying to one new opportunity. Improving one skill. Over months. These compound into life-changing income growth. Final thoughts. Doubling your income isn't about luck, it's about leverage, skills, and smart execution. Maximize your main salary. Build scalable side hustles. And turn your knowledge into assets. Start small. Stay consistent. And think long-term. Your income doesn't have to stay where it is today. The only real question is, what is your first move?